Hey, what's up guys, and welcome back. And now finally the time is when you're gonna love the Elementor Pro version and you'll be in love with it, trust me. So let me show you what type of the single product type template we will be building in this particular video, and then you will decide whether you should be building it or not. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna click over here and I'm gonna open these in a new tab. And I'm going to also open up some of more over here. So this one and this one and this one. So here you can see I've got so many. And now let's go ahead and let's view them. So here it is. This is something that we will be building. So you can see how cool is it. You go down, you have the other gallery images instead of this. So you can click over here, you can view it. You can see here is the description of the product, and now here is the add to cart. So how cool is it? Same like this, now we have the related products. Let's go ahead and let's come up here, and here is the other different product, and it is being applied to each and every product, and you don't have to do it. This is not something that I've designed specifically for one single product. I've basically created the template and it's being applied. And you can open up any of the image, you can switch back and forth, and you can zoom it. You can see here is also the zoom function, so you can zoom it, and you can pretty well just do it this way as well. You can even go ahead and you can share this on Facebook, Twitter, or you can download the image. So how cool is it? This is how it's looking. So basically in this video, we will be talking about how you can go and how you can build this. So let's go ahead and let's get started. First of all, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to come up here to this particular thing, and I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to set the display condition to exclude on products page so that you can see the normal Elementor page, that how the normal Elementor page was looking. So I'm going to come up here and I'm going to refresh this page, and you will see the normal Elementor page, how it looks. So this is how it's looking. You can see it's also good. I'm not telling that this is not good, but still there are, if you compare it with this one, then this one is really very charming. So we're going to be designing this particular thing, and I'm going to be also giving you more ideas how you can design some things, and we will also be using some pre-made stuff as well, so that I can explain you much I can. So first of all you have to do is to go to the templates over here, and then you have to click theme builder. Now, once you are in this theme builder, now you can see this is the template that I have basically created myself, and I will show you how to create it yourself, so that you can just create that. Now let's go ahead and let's click add new. So first of all, you have to select it to be a single product, and now here you have to type in the name of that. So you can type in anything. You can I'm just going to type in single product template, and I'm going to hit enter so that the template is created. So this, as you can see, these are some of the pre-made templates that you can use and you can work with it. You can see how cool they are looking. So I really like this one. If you click over here, you can just zoom it up and you can see how is it looking. So this is a pre-made template that you can use over here. So if you click insert, you can see that you don't have to do anything, and it's already created. So this is how it's looking. This is the description, this is the reviews, and this is right here. Now what you can do is that you can learn it. So just like you can see, this is actually the product image. So if you click over here, you can get these particular data from here, and then you can build this particular product page. And then what you can do, you can hit publish, you can add the condition, and you can include it on all product pages, and then you can hit save and close. And now if you will visit the website and you open up any of the product over here, you can see this is how it's looking. So there is no sidebar, and how cool is it looking? You go down and there is every of the stuff here. So this is how you can go ahead and you can do it. Now what we will be doing is that we will be getting rid of everything. We're going to be getting rid of it, and we will be designing the template array. So first of all, what you have to do is to just add a section over here, and now here you have to add a full section. Now you can see this is right here. So what you have to do is that you have to change this to Elementor full width, and what you're going to do, you're going to go to the settings, and then you're going to go to the page layout, and you're going to select it to be Elementor full width so that it just covers the full page. Like so, you can see how it's now covering the full page. Now what you can do is that you can also add a sidebar if you want to add, and you can go ahead and you can work with it. So what you can do is that you can just close this section, You can add another section. You can set this to be 2 column. You can do it. And then what you can do is that you can just align this here. So I'm just going to be telling you right now how to build a basic template. And then we will shift to just like how you can build a really advanced template so that you know what you are doing. And now what you're going to do, you're going to search for the sidebar. You're going to drag it and drop it here. You can select the sidebar. So we're going to be selecting the defaults that we have already. And now here you can work with the product stuff. So here for the product, we're going to be adding an intersection. So intersection over here. And now here in the first one, we're going to add the product images. And in the second one, we're going to be adding the product title and stuff more. So we're going to add product title, and we're going to add the product price over here down below. And same like this, you can add product ratings as well here. Product short description over here. And then you can also add the product meta. So product meta means the category of the product and stuff. And now here you can add this add to cart, and this will basically come with the variable product. And if there is any variable product, there will be option for that. The person can select it, and it will come with different options. So same like this, it will come with the quantity as well. So the person can select the quantity too. So now what you can do is that you can go ahead and right here, you can add the product data tabs. So the data tabs is going to be right here, and now you can see this is how the data tabs is looking. So basically what we have done is that we have built the theme this Ocean WP was giving, and we have built it ourselves so that we don't have to do anything. And now what you can do is that down below you can show the related products, and you can also show the upsells if there are any. So you can go and you can show the related products over here. Same like this, you can also show if a product is in stock or not. And here it is. So you can drag it, you can drop it over here. So this will just tell the person if the product is in stock or not. If you have used with the WooCommerce settings, then it will definitely come. Now, what about the designing? You can design it. You can click over here. You can design it whether you want to order it by date, whether you want to order it by descending or ascending. Same like this, you can even style this. You can work with the column gap. You can keep it as much less. You can also just go and you can work with the borders. So you have already built the shop page. Now that is exactly the styling that we are doing over here is exactly same like the shop page that we have over here. So you can design it the way you want to, and you can see add to wish list and stuff. Everything is right here. Now let's go ahead and let's talk about this. So what you can do is that you can come up here and you can style it. Now what you can do, you can change this to black color, and you can choose the font. You guys don't know about these stuff. Same like this, you can work with the styling. You can align this to center, and this is how it's looking now. It's pretty small right now, so I'm gonna increase this. Now let me tell you one thing. Now if I just click over here, you can see there is a border. There is a border, there is a border, there is a border. Now let's suppose that I want to get rid of it. So how am I gonna do that? So for that, what you have to do is that you have to get rid of this particular title that we have. So this title already contain this particular border, and which is just a pain. So let's suppose that if you want to get rid of it, there is no option you can get rid of the border. So if you go to the advanced, there is a border, and then here is also, this is also set to none. So how can you get rid of the border? So for that, what you have to do is that you have to come up here and you have to get a heading separately, and in here you have to paste the heading. Okay, and now here you have to get the data from the database of this particular product, and you're gonna say that I want to go down and I want to get the product title, okay, under the WooCommerce. And if you click over here, you can see now we have got this, and there is no border. So basically this is the pre-made that the Elementor is giving based on your particular theme or your template, and this is something based totally on the Elementor. So if you think there is something extra coming, you can go, you can get that, and you can just add that here. Same like this in the template, you can see we added image. Now if you see that if I go and I just add this product image, you can see the image will be right here along with the slider over here, and it will be zoomed. Zoom sign is also here. But let's suppose that if I need just the image, the main image of the product. So how I'm going to do that? I'm just going to delete this. I'm going to go down. I'm going to go to the image. I'm going to drag this. I'm going to drop it right here. And now here, I'm going to select it from the database. So here, dynamic tags, go down, and where you see the WooCommerce, there is the product image. You can select it, and the product image, whatever it is going to be coming without the extra stuff over here. So, I hope that you guys have got the basic idea of how everything is working. So the video is going also too long. So in the next video, we're going to learn how to build the exact same template that we built using the Elementor that I built. And I'm going to show you how you can build it too. So stay tuned, guys. And in the next video, we'll be doing that. Now let's go ahead and let's hit update and let's see how our product is looking. So I'm going to refresh this, and here you can see we've got this. So you can get rid of the title here. You can design this title, and there is, you can see no border over here. Seems like this, we go down, and there is also the main image coming from here that we added. So stay tuned, guys, and bye-bye.